dreamers, here we go. There's a whole wide world to know. Questions spark like shooting stars, leading us to places far. Push a button, watch it shine. Build a future, one design. Every mystery hides a clue. Let's discover something new. Ask why, ask how. Let's find the answers now. Every challenge we embrace takes us to another place. Adventure starts in Tech Talk STEM Discovery. Every question is a brand new mystery. Think it, build it, test it, try. There's no limit to how high we fly. We're explorers, we're creators, future leaders, innovators. Every day a brand new story. Learning is our greatest journey. Come discover, come imagine. See what you were meant to be at Tech Talk STEM Discovery. The future starts with me.